Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have a possible future sneak peek. Now this is going to be a collab, and this I found on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, and I'll show you what she has found right here, and then I'll show you the video. Now again, this is a possible collab. I haven't heard any word about confirmation, so we are still waiting on that. But she knows her stuff, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be in there. So there is going to be a possible collab with JD180. Now she is on Instagram, and I'm not exactly sure if she's on YouTube. If she is, I'll link her down below. And she just had another collab with Luxy, and I'm going to show you the brushes that her and Luxy made together. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, so I just can't wait to see what kind of collab she'll come up with BoxyCharm. And here's the video, guys.
Hey guys, I just finished my makeup and my hair. Today I'm on set with BoxyCharm shooting something super exciting. Can't wait to tell you guys about it, so stay tuned to figure out what it is in a couple weeks.
So as always, guys, let me know what you think down there in the comments below. And also, BoxyCharm is linked down there as well if you do want to go check them out. And always keep your bell on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.